In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, and let me show you how to reset all app preferences. So first of all, you have to open list of all apps, go to the settings then, and now locate apps. It's right here, smoothly marked. And all you need to do now is to tap on this three dots icon, which is for more, click on reset app preferences, and then if you really want to reset all preferences for disabled apps, notification restriction for apps, default apps, background data restriction for apps, and any other permission restrictions, just tap on reset right here. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done. Congrats. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.